Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this lecture of Oracle Database Administration. On the Core DBA, we are at the end of the Core DBA, about to complete the topic. So we are pending with only 3 or 4 basic topics or small topics like auditing, inventory, Oracle binaries like that. So we'll complete this first, starting with auditing. So what is auditing? Generally, what is auditing in a normal language? Everyone able to hear me, right? My voice is audible, or is there any lag or
Yes, sir.
disturbance?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Right. What is auditing? Meaning of auditing. Can anyone tell me meaning of auditing?
Inspection.
Exactly. Yeah.
Verification.
Yes.
Verification.
Yes.
Verification.
Yes. More terminologies. Yes. Correct. Yeah. Tell me.
Quality checking.
Okay.
Examine.
Okay.
Data analysis.
Not data analyzing. Okay.
Data recording or something.
Okay. Fine. Auditing is nothing but auditing is nothing but finding a thief, finding who is the thief, who theft what, who theft what. Understand, right? In our local
Yes.
terminology,
Yes, sir.
just like CC cameras, just like CC camera. In CC camera, we can find who theft what. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the auditing is generally used for that purpose. So in database, there is audit files that are getting generated. In database, there are some audit files. Okay. I'll open the audit file and I'll show you one of the audit file. What information will be there in the audit file, and how can we capture what? Okay. RSS Pune DC, right? Duplicate. I'll take one database city. Okay. Let me connect to SQL Plus. Such as DBA. Start the database. Startup. Okay. Now, where do we find audit files? Who can tell me? Where can we find audit files? Where can we find audit files?
Archive.
Sorry. Simple. Show parameter audit. That's it. So audit underscore file underscore dest. The destination of audit file is here. Here. Okay. Show parameter audit. If you say show parameter audit, this is where the audit file destination is stored. Okay. Remember very carefully. This is very important. This is very important. There will be interview questions on this. Now, is the auditing enable on my database? Is the auditing enable on my database? How can we say is the auditing enable on my database or not? This is also an interview question. First question is, how do you find audit file location? By the parameter called show parameter audit. And audit file destination. This is the location where audit files are getting generated. Audit files are getting generated. Okay. Audit files are getting generated. Okay, fine. Audit files are getting generated. Okay, that's okay. But how to find whether the database, whether the auditing is enabled on the database or not? By this parameter. Audit underscore trial is equal to none. Means auditing is disabled. What do you mean by none? Everyone.
Disabled.
Auditing is disabled. So auditing is not happening on this database. Then when this audit will happen? When you change the parameter of audit underscore trail to DB. DB. Understand what I'm talking? When you change the parameter to DB. Alter, is it using SP file? So parameter SP file. Yeah, it is using SP file. So if we change the audit trail to alter system set audit underscore trail is equal to DB. Scope is equal to both. This needs a restart. This database parameter needs a restart. You cannot modify on the fly. On the fly, you cannot modify. Scope is equal to SP file. You have to first change in the SP file, and then you need to shut down the database. You need to shut down the database, and you need to start up the database. So this parameter is a dynamic parameter in nature. This parameter is a dynamic parameter in nature, but this parameter needs database restart. Okay. Some parameters are there which does not need database restart. You people understood that class, right? Database parameters, dynamic and static. Hello, sir.
Yes,
Ma'am,
sir.
everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, Trisha.
sir.
People who are sleeping, wake up, please. So I have started this. Now, if I say show parameter audit, it says DB, right? Now auditing is enabled. So if it is none, if the audit underscore trial parameter is equal to none, auditing is not enabled. If the audit underscore trail parameter is equal to DB, which means auditing is enabled. Now, what information will be there in the audit files? I'll open and show you one audit file. See how many audit files are generated. Lots and lots of audit files. So let me open one of the audit file. VI audit file. Okay. See what information will be there. Very good information will be there, and very accurate information will be there, and thief can be caught easily. Like for example, what is the Oracle home? That information is there. Is this a Linux machine or a Windows machine? What is the server name? What is the release of the Linux? Okay, what is the version? Which machine is getting connected? What is the VMware version? And what is the database name? What is the instance name? And what is the process number? See, process number, process ID, we call it as a process ID. So who logged into this database? At what time? Timestamp will also be there. Timestamp, see, where is the timestamp? Yeah, this is the one, 1451. Timestamp is also captured in the audit file. Timestamp is also captured, right? And what is the process ID? The process ID is captured. Okay, database user is sysdba. Sysdba, user is sysdba, captured. I have logged into the client as Oracle, captured. What are you doing? You are connecting to the database. SQL plus / as sysdba, which means you are connecting to the database, captured. Everything will be captured in the audit file, so that dongan easy ga pattukochu. Auditing under that is called auditing. Okay, for example, in this case, instead of sysdba, I have logged in as ABC by ABC 123. Username will be ABC. Captured. Aim chestunadu. From which machine user is getting connected? From which machine user is getting connected? Captured. What is happening with that user? What that user is doing? Is that user deleting? Is that user doing a select? Is that user doing a update? Is that user dropping any tables? Is that user manipulating the data? Captured. Everything can be captured if you enable auditing. If you enable auditing. Understood, everyone? What is the power of auditing file?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Understood, everyone, right? What is the power of auditing?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you audit, you know, privilege was none. Okay, you did a startup. See, even DBA will also get caught. DBA will also get caught. Okay, It's very simple. DBA can also get got. See, I just shut down the database and did a startup. You see this? I have shut down the database and did a startup. That is also captured. See, somebody did startup action. Which action DBA took? DBA has started the database. Captured. Everything can be captured in audit files. Everything can be captured in audit files. Understood? Everyone?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
I'll show you one real time thing. What happens? For example, user is there. What user is doing is user is deleting some data, or user is truncating some data. User is truncating some data. Okay. For example, user means who is user? Developers, not we. We are DBS. We are DBS. Our job is to monitor what users are doing. DBS job is to monitor what user is doing. User is truncating the data, user is deleting the data, user is updating, user is selecting, or what those user is doing. We can enable auditing on the user also. We can enable the auditing on user. In that case, what happens is, for example, there is one user whose last working date with the company is, let's say tomorrow is the last working day of that user. He don't have a very good impression with the client, so he want to delete some data before that user is going or leaving the organization. I mean, just giving an example. Please do not do it in your real time also. This will not happen, but still I'm just giving a small example, but a wrong example, I know, but still we are human beings. Only wrong things will be injected into the mind, so easily injected into the mind. Sorry, manchi chepte ఎవరికి ఎక్కదు. So that's what, anyways, like jokes apart. So somebody wants to delete the data, abba. End of the day, somebody wants to delete the data. Can we catch hold of that idiot, or can we catch hold of that person who is actually deleting the data? Yes, by the help of auditing. By the help of auditing. Whoever deletes the data, whoever truncates the data, if we start enabling auditing, what happens is we will get emails. DBS will get emails. Now I'll show you the real time. Wait. Okay, that is what auditing is. And let's go to the next topic. Next topic is Oracle inventory. Oracle inventory, we'll go to Oracle software binaries. Okay, we'll complete Oracle software binaries. Okay. Oracle binaries are installed in bin, Oracle home bin. Okay. What happens when you install Oracle software? Means what happens when you install Oracle binaries? We call it as Oracle binaries. All these are getting installed. All these are getting installed. What are all these? Like, for example, DBCA for database creation assistant, for creating a database. This will be installed. This is one of the binary. This has to be installed. And listener has to be installed. Okay. DBUA, EMCA for monitoring, EMCTL for OEM. I'll tell you on that note. And SQL plus will be EMPDP, IXPDP. See, IMPDP, EXPDP, IMPDP. Okay. And DGM GRL for data guard, which I'll explain you. RMAN is also from here only. So all these are utilities, binaries. All these are utilities or binaries. TKProf, SQL loader. Okay. And what else you people know? TNS ping. Okay. And what else? And this is in rack. Okay, that I'll explain you. No. So these are all the binaries. If these binaries are not installed, for example, RMAN binary is not installed properly, you cannot use RMAN. If SQL plus binary is not installed properly, you cannot use SQL plus. If LSNR CTL is not installed, you cannot use LSNR CTL status start, like that. So all these are binaries. If DBCA is not installed properly, so you cannot use DBCA for database creation. Oracle home is waste. Installation is waste. So what do you mean by binaries? Binaries are nothing but Oracle home itself. Oracle home itself is nothing but binaries. Understand? Oracle home is nothing but binaries. Okay. So everyone understood what are binaries now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So that's it about binaries. And now coming to the inventory part. Okay. I'll talk about the inventory, Oracle inventory. See. So everyone able to see the screen, right? Everyone able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the auditing
Yes, sir.
document. I can directly give you this document, and I can tell that you people can study, but you people won't understand. Everything is rocket and science. So that's the reason I'm here to help you
Sir,
people.
voice is breaking, sir.
Voice is breaking little bit. Now is it okay? Is it okay
Yes,
for
sir.
everyone? Is it okay, guys? For
Yes,
everyone?
sir. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
So this is what.
Again.
Again,
Sorry, still breaking.